Hi friends, are you ready to jump into our next stop of our Kanha journey? Okay, so today we're gonna go to the tissue culture lab. So, what is tissue culture, you're wondering, right? It's when you take a cell of an endangered species of plant and you create more of those cells to make more of those plants. Cool, isn't it? So, in this journey, we're going to see many endangered species of plants. Our beloved Daji has gone to all parts of the world and taken all endangered species and has made them to grow nice, safe, and sound in our Kanha Shanti Vanam. So, let's see where we're going first. Oh, okay. It looks like we're gonna go to the banana plantation first. Isn't it cool? You can take one cell and create more plants. That's like magic, but it's actually science.
Oh, it's cherry tomato, I think.
Okay, guys, if you see over here, this is the field where they take the small and nurtured plants from the cells and they let them to grow in these fields, which are nurtured with red soil, the most nutritious soil in the world. Okay, let's see where we're going next. If you see here, behind you can see the banana plantation. Yeah, that's correct. Banana species are endangered. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. They're all cherry tomatoes.
So if you see over here, you can see all of the banana plants. Look at how they are. It looks more like a mini jungle, right?
Banana flower and all. Where is it?
Let's head on to our next stop. Ooh, okay, I just saw the tall papaya plant. Let's see what's next. Okay, we have some creepy creepers over here, crawling on the ground, climbing
Oh,
up.
this is
If you see
kangaroo.
over here,
See.
oh my goodness, bruh, seriously.
Ta-da! Did you see? Arby also.
It actually looks so beautiful when it looks like it's hanging. Let's see where we're headed next. It looks like we have some tall species of grass over here. I wonder, what is it? Oh, okay, it looks like it's a sugar cane. If you see over there, you can see a mini jungle of bananas. Oh my goodness, this looks so cool, right? Now, if you see over here, it's time. We're going to enter the tissue culture lab. Are you ready for the adventure? Then come on, let's go. Oh my goodness, look what is there. It looks like a tiny pomegranate. Amazing. If you see on the top, you can see many bananas and papayas along. Oh my goodness. They look like it's so amazing how science can save the whole world. If you see over here, we have more bananas. Oh my goodness, look at how huge they are. Okay, we're just taking a stroll on the jungly jungles with the bananas. I wonder, are there any monkeys over here? Okay, guys, it's finally time to enter the tissue culture lab. Okay, guys, are you excited? Because I am. Okay, let's see what's inside this mysterious drawer of the tissue culture lab. Okay, guys, it looks like we've opened it. Oh my goodness. Okay, now this is a greenhouse if you see over here. So basically, a greenhouse is where you take natural sunlight. It's made out of glass. See over here, there's just some tents to protect it in case. And you can see many nurtured plants. Some plants are not adapted to go straight into the sun, into the sunny fields. So they let them to nurture. Okay, guys, it looks like we found another bunch of grass, the tall species. Oh my goodness, these plants look so interesting. Look at those intricate patterns. Can you imagine one cell having this much of power to fill the whole greenhouse? Yeah, that's true. One cell made this whole greenhouse to exist. So if you see over here, this is a leaf pyramid. So basically, they add soil into these pots, they put seeds and let them to nurture. So it's like a decoration. Okay, back to you, planties. Okay, this looks like a mini jungle. Actually, okay, guys, let's see what we have next. It looks like we have some mini jungle plants over here. Okay, if you see, all of these plants have been taken from all around the world. Yes, actually. So basically, you have the whole world's plants over here. If you see over here, here is some compost in pots. So basically, in the compost, you put some seeds, some soil, mix it all together, and you got this. Whoa, that's a lot of green. Okay, if you see over here, they've written the species. It looks like this one is an Alpharia gone god. Wow, what kind of name is that actually? Okay, this is so much greenery. I can't believe that one cell made all of this happen. Okay, it looks like we've gone to some other species. Looks like this one is a Vrictinga tintoria. Okay, weird name but very ecstatic. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next. Okay, guys, if you see over here, you can see some manure. Manure is compost, but it's mixed with cow dung. You're wondering why cow dung? Cow dung has many nutritious qualities that help plants grow better, stronger, and healthier. So, compost plus cow dung, manure. Look at how beautiful these leaves look under the sunlight. Isn't it amazing? Okay, it looks like we have some big plants over here, like the banana plant over there. Okay, it looks like we have some other species. It's a banana grip. I don't know why it's called that though. Those water droplets on the leaves look so amazing. This actually doesn't look real. It looks like AI, but it's actually real. Can you believe it? So many plants. Here's one more advantage of tissue culture. You don't have to use much water. Actually, it's true. The cell that you take, they add some minerals to it that it doesn't need much water. Isn't that amazing? So, you're literally saving plants plus you're saving water. Oh, it looks like we have some more new plants with some weird names. Let me try reading this one. A spyclone. Okay. And this is a Virtus indici. It sounds like Spanish. I think this is from
Go out.
Spain.
No, don't touch. Okay, go out. Open. Slowly you have to do. Okay, I'll go inside.
Oh, okay. It looks like there's another plant tent over here. Okay, there's too much green actually.
Here. This is creepers, but some vegetable, I think. They did not write the name. What is it?
Helichan. Is that helichan? Baby helichan. Cucumber natural.
Cucumber, yeah, some. Okay, come, we'll go. We are all baby one only. There. You do record it like this only? Palak? No, that I thought it's palak. What is that?
Not so popular. This Culidia exarila. Wow.
I have no idea what is that.
Scientific name.
But I know that all mangoes, that all are mangoes only. I know that. But that thing, I don't know. Yes. We'll go to next now.
Oh, it looks like we've got another tent in here. Okay, I cannot believe how many plants there are. They say that there are 1 billion plus saplings and about some 3 trillion trees in this whole ashram. And I guess half of that includes this tissue culture. Okay, this is so amazing how Daji has put all of his effort into building this paradise for us.
We'll go now?
Oh, okay. It looks like we're leaving right now.
Now we'll go
Let's
back
see
home
what we
or
got next.
you want to go to
Okay, banana
strawberry farm?
pathway,
We'll go.
walking through.
What is there? You go there, Kanha? Near that.
Oh, they put a sign. Heartfulness 3 conservation. Okay, let's say planet Earth. Let's save trees by planting them every day. Here's what I do. On my birthday, I always plant a tree. You can also try that to become part of the tree conservation operation. Oh, this looks like a beautiful hut. Nice creepers. Hmm. Looks like we're taking a round on the building. Oh, let's see this in detail. Okay, I can see some pink flowers hanging from there. I cannot believe how nature's beauty is so beautiful. Okay, now it looks like we're going to a bamboo pathway and some more bananas. Okay, Heartfulness Science Seed Laboratory. So, let's see. Oh, okay, that's a Buddha over there. So, we're going into the laboratory. Oh my goodness. Okay. Unveiling the challenges of a seed. So, they're breaking down the challenges of a seed into a nice and good understandable chart. Okay, this looks like some laboratory. Looks like Einstein's lab to me. So this is how and where they nurture all of these seeds with one cell.
Don't need a tissue culture facility. They can grow from seeds as well. So
Is this-
brother has started this seed lab.
That
where
is
they
what
focus
seed
on
for daddy
species.
life.
Yeah.
Sometimes critically endangered, critically endangered and
Mango.
endangered species also. Whichever
Yeah.
can grow from seeds, we are trying.
Dry
to
leaves.
So this room is dedicated for this visitors, general public, where you can see all the textures, colors, and they can appreciate it, especially.
Okay, guys, that's the end of our journey. So, subscribe, like, and comment to my mother's channel. Otherwise, a spider's gonna appear under your bed one day. Bye.